Hi! In front of me is the OPPO Find X2 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Following that, type in Magic Fluids and get this free app from Mad Scientist developer. When it's ready, open it, and if you want to mute the music right away, click on the bottom left corner. Now tap on this gear at the top left corner, Hit I accept in First Things First pop-up and adjust all of those options however you want to. When you're done, click on the top right corner and bottom one. Then click on Set as Live Wallpaper, hit Apply, and decide if you wish to apply it on home screen or home screen and lock screen by selecting one of those options. I will go with home screen only, so when I click and go back, I can see that my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!